Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and in today's video we'll learn how to reset the password of a user. So reset password comes handy wherein the user reported and says that he or she is not able to log into their office accounts. In those scenarios, the reset password comes handy. And how to reset the password? So let's navigate to Office 365 Admin Center. This is the URL admin.microsoft.com. This is the URL. Let's navigate to active user section. Okay. So suppose this user has reported to you that this user is not able to log into their Office account. So what you can do is there are three ways by you can reset the password for this user account. The very first one is this key option. When you click on this key option, you will see you will see that there is one checkbox which says that automatically create a password, and the other option says require this user to change the password when they first log in. So let's look into this one, automatically create a password. So when you select this and reset the password, so this user will get a new password, and this is a system generated password. So the user can now log in with these credentials. Okay. So in order to log in by using these credentials, the user will need to navigate to office.com and they will need to use this username. Okay. And user will also need to use the password which is recently generated. Let me show you. And next. Okay. And I just copy the password. Okay, sign in. So you see, now I can sign in by using the same password which is system generated. So this is one way which the password can be generated. The other way is require this user to change the password when they first sign in. Okay, so in this, what you need to do is you need to give this a password first. Okay, for that, let me generate the password. I have generated the password. Okay, I need to share this password with the user so that the user can reset the password later on. Okay, I will click reset password. So the password is now reset and the system generated password has gone, and now I have generated a password for that user. So what I need to do is I need to come up here once again. Let's type in office.com, sign in. Okay, this is the username. I select this user. Okay, this is the user. Let's copy. Let's navigate to other window. Okay, you need to verify the password. Okay. All right. It's already remembered the username, so I just need to enter the password. Okay, now you can see that it is asking me to update the password or generate the password. It is because the moment I generated the password for that user, I selected the option that require user to update the password when they sign in. Okay, so these are the two options through which you can generate the password, or else what you can do is you just unselect this one. The third option is uh, you generate a password for that user. Okay, and you want that the user should only use this password. You do not want that the user should be able to change the password. So in that scenario, just give the password and reset it. So the user won't be able to change the password and they will need to use this password only. Okay, so these are the ways uh, by which you can reset the password, and these are the options which comes up when you reset a password. Now let's see from where we can reset the password. There are three places from where you can reset the password. The very first one is this, which we have seen already. When you click on the key icon next to a user, you will be able to see this particular screen, this reset password screen. Okay. Or else when you select it, you also get this reset password option. When you select it, you will be able to see the same screen again. And the third way is when you open this, you navigate to this user information panel, and here you get this reset option. When you click on this reset password, you again get the same option. So these are the three areas from where you can reset the password. And we have also seen that what these password checkboxes are and how does this function. Okay, so that conclude the video. I hope you like the video. In case you liked it, do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share on this video. Till then, see you next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.